Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best super mug is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, designed to revolutionize how we enjoy our favorite hot beverages and soups. Imagine a mug that not only keeps your drink perfectly warm but also features a built-in compartment for your favorite snacks or toppings, ensuring every sip is accompanied by a delightful bite. This isn't just a mug, it's a complete snacking experience designed for ultimate convenience and enjoyment, perfect for busy mornings, cozy evenings, or even a fun addition to your desk setup. Number 5. Cupa Joe 20-ounce glass diner pot mug. Bring humor and style to your morning with this mug, shaped like a vintage glass coffee pot. It's perfect for your desk or your daily brew. Commute with confidence thanks to the secure silicone lid. Enjoy your coffee on the go without worrying about spills or messes. This hilarious mug is a viral sensation and a hit with coffee lovers. It's the perfect novelty gift for dads and co-workers alike. Crafted from ultra-durable borosilicate glass, it's safe for both boiling hot coffee and chilled cold brew. It's easy to grip and fits large hands comfortably. Enjoy a full 20 ounces of your favorite beverage, more than other mugs. Designed for durability, it even fits in most car cup holders. What we like? This one brings a unique vintage vibe to your daily coffee routine. Its large capacity and spill-proof lid make it perfect for busy mornings. If you love a touch of retro humor and need a reliable mug for your commute, this is the one for you. What people say. The super mug is a great way to enjoy your soup. It is a well-designed mug that is perfect for any kitchen. The super mug is a must-have for any soup lover. Number 4. WHJY 30-ounce ceramic soup mug with lid. Introducing a stylish and functional ceramic mug, perfect for your favorite soups and noodles. Its modern design complements any kitchen. This mug features a unique food-grade PP lid with a built-in expiration reminder. Simply turn the dial to set the date, making meal prep and storage a breeze. Crafted from high-quality ceramic with a smooth, elegant glaze, this mug is both beautiful and safe. The lid is made from food-grade PP, ensuring no harmful substances. Ideal for enjoying instant noodles, hearty soups, or cereal. It's also perfect for storing leftovers in the refrigerator. The glazed surface makes cleaning effortless. It's dishwasher and microwave safe for your convenience, though please remember to remove the lid before microwaving. With a generous 30-ounce capacity, this mug holds plenty of your favorite hot meals. Its dimensions are approximately 5.5 inches in diameter and 3.6 inches in height. What we like? This offers a generous 30-ounce capacity with a modern, minimalist design. The unique lid with an expiration reminder is fantastic for meal prepping or storing leftovers. If you're looking for a stylish and functional bowl for soups, noodles, or cereal, and appreciate thoughtful features, this is a great choice. What people say. The super mug is a great invention for anyone who loves soup. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a snack. The mug is also very easy to clean. Number 3. 3-in-1 cup lid cleaning brush set. Introducing our new 3-in-1 cleaning brush set, designed to tackle every nook and cranny. It includes specialized brushes for cups, narrow gaps, and tight corners. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, these brushes are built to last. They are washable and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring effective cleaning every time. Cleaning has never been easier. With soft and hard bristle options, plus a hook remover, you can achieve a thorough clean with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Our innovative design features interchangeable brushes that rotate 180 degrees for easy swapping. Plus, hanging holes make storage a breeze, keeping your space tidy. Perfect for a wide range of items, including cups, bottles, kettles, and even pacifiers. These versatile tools are essential for all your household cleaning tasks. What we like? This is not a mug, but a specialized cleaning tool. Its ingenious 3-in-1 design tackles all those hard-to-reach spots on cup lids and bottle gaps. If you're tired of struggling to clean intricate lids and want a compact, efficient solution, this brush set is a must-have for maintaining hygiene. What people say. The super mug is a great way to enjoy your soup on the go. It has a built-in spoon and a spill-proof lid, making it perfect for commuting or traveling. This mug is designed to keep your soup hot for hours, The double-walled insulation ensures that your soup stays warm, even on the coldest days. The super mug is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The wide mouth makes it easy to scoop out every last drop of soup. Number 2. MECOWON 30-ounce porcelain coffee mugs, set of 2. Introducing our set of 2 large porcelain mugs, perfect for your favorite beverages or meals. Enjoy generous 30-ounce capacity in a beautiful sky blue and sea blue design. Crafted from thick, chip-resistant porcelain, these mugs are built to last. They are incredibly easy to clean and maintain, ensuring years of reliable use. For your convenience, they are completely safe for use in the microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher. Enjoy effortless meal preparation and cleanup. The thoughtfully designed handle ensures a comfortable grip for everyone. Its ergonomic shape makes holding them a pleasure, no matter your hand size. Beyond coffee, these versatile mugs are perfect as bowls for cereal, soup, salad, ramen, and more. They are a stylish addition to any home, restaurant, or cafe. Looking for a great gift? This set makes a wonderful present for friends and family. Its practicality and elegant design are sure to be appreciated. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us immediately, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like? This set provides 2 large, beautifully colored porcelain mugs with a comfortable grip. The generous 30-ounce size makes them ideal for more than just coffee. They're perfect for soup, cereal, or salads. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and versatile set for yourself or as a gift, these jumbo mugs are an excellent option. What people say. The super mug is a great way to enjoy your soup on the go. It has a built-in spoon and a lid that seals tightly, so you don't have to worry about spills. The super mug is also microwave safe, so you can heat up your soup right in the mug. It's made of durable plastic that is BPA-free. The super mug is a convenient and practical way to enjoy your soup. It's perfect for busy people who want to eat healthy meals on the go. Number 1. KooK Ceramic Soup Mug Set. Enjoy your favorite meals anywhere with this versatile bowl. It's perfect for serving, storing, and reheating your dishes, whether you're at home or on the move. Pack your meals at home and reheat them at the office with ease. The lid features a steam release vent for safe heating and to keep your surfaces clean. Keep your meals and snacks fresh and easily accessible with this convenient storage bowl. It's designed for your busy lifestyle. Crafted from bright, durable two-tone ceramic with a classic gloss finish. Each mug offers a generous 25-ounce capacity and is safe for your dishwasher, microwave, and freezer. We ensure your soup mugs arrive in perfect condition, carefully packaged for safe delivery. A bonus recipe card is included to inspire your culinary creations. What we like? This set offers 2 colorful and durable ceramic bowls with lids designed for convenience. The steam release vent on the lid is a standout feature for safe reheating. If you need a versatile bowl for meals on the go, meal prepping, or enjoying hot dishes at the office, this set is perfect for its practicality and style. What people say. The super mug is a great product that keeps your soup hot for hours. I love the design of the super mug. It's very stylish and functional. The super mug is perfect for taking your lunch to work. It's leak-proof and easy to carry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.